How to remove watermark in Alight Motion. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove watermark in Alight Motion. So first thing, just head over to any of your project inside of your Alight Motion application. So let me just quickly select any one of these, and as you can see, currently the Alight Motion watermark is currently being shown at the top of my video. So first thing, or first way, what you can do to actually remove it, you can just highlight or select your video just like this by simply merging or overlaying, or you can just group all of your files just like this as I've done over here. So once you successfully group your image or videos, you can just actually drag and drop your videos just like this until it completely blocks the particular watermark from your video. But remember that it will affect largely on your video quality as well as your resolution, because it might not be what you want. So the another way what you can also do to perform such action is you can just head over to your profile section from the home screen at the top right corner, and you can see you have to take a membership option. So just tap on this, so you can basically pay certain particular amount either weekly or yearly, and you should get all of the access to pro features, which includes removing watermark from Alight Motion video as well. So if you don't want any one of those subscription, then you might as well tap on this export video from the top right corner after completing the editing process of your video, because sometimes Alight Motion offers a one-time offer that is remove watermark option, and if that's available, you can just tap on that and simply export it. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.